Lithium-ion battery, or LIB, charging is the process of efficiently restoring the energy capacity of lithium-ion batteries. A lithium-ion battery can be an individual battery cell, a small battery module that has a group of battery cells, or a battery pack that has a group of battery modules, which can contain hundreds or thousands of battery cells. Unlike primary batteries, which are non-rechargeable, lithium-ion batteries are secondary batteries that can be recharged using a battery charger. The battery charger for a specific battery is selected based on the current, voltage, capacity, and application of a battery. For the charging process to begin, the input connector of the battery charger is connected to a power source, and the output connector is connected to the battery. The battery charger obtains alternating current, or AC, from the power source and converts it into direct current, or DC, which is supplied to the battery. The DC flowing into the battery triggers an electrochemical reaction inside each battery cell, causing the battery cells to charge. During operation, the battery discharges by releasing stored energy as electrical current to the connected device. During the charging and discharging processes, the temperature may rise inside a battery cell due to the electrochemical reaction. Additionally, the temperature inside a battery pack may increase due to impedance or natural electronic resistance. Typically, the battery cells in a battery pack do not charge and discharge simultaneously or uniformly. Therefore, a battery management system, or BMS, is utilized for uniformly and efficiently charging and discharging the battery cells. The BMS monitors the temperature and other battery parameters such as the voltage, current, and state of charge, or SOC, and uses this information to uniformly charge the battery cells. Lithium-ion batteries are used in a variety of applications, from a single battery cell in smartphones to a battery module in laptops, and a battery pack in electric vehicles, or EVs.